tattoo bad omen there? Yes. Yes. In the Philippines or Filipinos, when a woman have a tattoo in the body, it's not, it means that the girl is bad. It's bad. It's what you call this? Kanang, it's not good here for a Filipino. Trust is everything. Yes. Yes, trust is everything, especially you are far. You are far. If you have a girlfriend, Filipina, of course, you are distance. So, you have to find a girl where you can trust. For Filipinos, a girl who drunk, who, cigarettes, you know,